Hi there, welcome to a morning yoga stretch. If you want to start your morning with more energy and positivity, then this video is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. To begin with, sit comfortably in any posture of your choice. Just be mindful, keep your sit bones still over the yoga mat. Your spine should be erect, like water is falling from the back. Keep your hands over the heart center or over your knees and close your eyes if you haven't already. Breathe in and breathe out. Try not to force your breath with slower or faster version. Just breathe the way you do. Center yourself with a natural breathing rhythm and breathe in and breathe out and let yourself center at the moment. Take 5 to 10 rounds of aware breath. And after that, start making some gentle movements. And then to start with, have your hands over your shoulders and start rotating your shoulders from back to forward. Be a little gentle as you move and make bigger circles all the way down and up. Now change the side from back to forward and feel the good deep stretch in the morning in your shoulders. Now take the hands in front of the body, move the wrist towards you and interlock your finger at the back of your head. Stretch your arms on top of your head. Bring it back to head. Again, stretch it back. Now release the hands and place left palm over the mat. Extend the right hand to the side and give a good nice side stretch to your body. You can choose to go a little deeper by going a little further down. Change your side. This time right hand goes down. Having the elbow grounded can give you extra support for a better, deeper stretch. Remember to keep your sit bones grounded. Come back to center and then at this moment place interlocked fingers at the back of your neck. As you inhale, you look back, and as you exhale, you fold forward as far as you can. If you can touch the elbows to the ground, it's even better. Inhale a gentle back bend and exhale, fold forward. Inhale again and then exhale here. Now, from here, come on all your fours, where your knees and hips are in a line and palms and shoulders are in a line. As you inhale, your head goes up, you extend your spine, and as you exhale, you curl your spine and look at the navel. Feel free to tuck your toes in or out as per your ease. Inhale, look up, and exhale, curl your spine. Inhale all the way up, and exhale, curl and look at the navel or in between the knees. Inhale again, and exhale. Now with the inhale, extend the right leg at the back. Keep the toes pointed towards you. As you exhale, bring the right foot next to the right palm into the lizard while keeping the left knee grounded. And then stretch the leg to the side. Now as you inhale, you bring your knee forward, extend the right arm to the side, make a big line from left palm to the right palm. Now bring the right palm down, stretch the back leg, lift up the knee if you can, hold it up there and breathe. Now lower down the back knee and again twist yourself to the right side while folding the left knee and holding the feet if you can. Breathe. And then exhale and release. Bring the palm down. Lift up the knee again. This time, rotate your body and bring the right foot in between the palms. Lift up your body. Have the right elbow over the right thigh. Extend the left hand and hold it up there. Exhale. Now again, lower down your hips and change the side to the other way. Now again, back to all fours. And as you inhale, extend the left leg at the back. Hold, breathe, and then inhale, bring the left foot next to the left palm. And give a good, nice stretch. Inhale, fold. And keep active your back leg. As you exhale, drop the knee and stretch. Give a good, nice, deep stretch. Inhale and exhale, fold the foot at the back, grab it using the left palm and give a good, nice twist to your left side. Hold with control. And as you exhale, release the leg at the back. Place the palm down. Lift the back knee. Hold it up there. Bring the foot in between the palms and lift up the knee again. Place the left elbow over the left thigh. Extend the right hand and hold it up there. Breathe. Now lower down the knee and come back to all fours. Breathe over here. And as you inhale, lift your knee off and get into a plank pose. Hold and breathe. With exhale, lower down your knees and sit up straight. Now again, come back to all your fours. Again, breathe here and hold. And if you feel confident, lift off your knees and hold the plank. Breathe nicely. As you exhale, drop your knees down. Breathe over here. And now from here, lie down on your belly over the yoga mat. Have the hands next to your shoulders. Fold both the feet from the knees. Start stretching them one at a time and then eventually stretch both of them back. Place the palms and forearm down and hold the simple back bend and breathe nicely and stay still. Breathe really well and hold the pose. Do not put any pressure on your lower back and feel the stretch. Continue holding. Hold it up to 1 minute. Remember to breathe continuously. Do not strain your neck. And then eventually with exhale, release and relax. Put the forehead down. Now place the palms next to the shoulder. As you inhale, get into a little lower Bhujangasana. And with exhale, go down. And inhale, if you feel confident, go little up. Then the last time. Hold your Bhujangasana and remember to breathe And with the exhale, with control, lower it down. Fold the lower leg, grab it from the shin bone, and with inhale into Dhanurasana. Keep your chin up, no strain on the neck. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale and release. Release the legs. Hands down, head down, and relax. Now from here, come on into a child pose for reciprocation of the back bend into a forward fold. Go a little deep, extend the arms, lower down your hips as far as you can over your heels. And then inhale, sit up straight. Breathe. And then back to all fours, and with inhale, lift off your knees and get into a downward facing dog. Keep your feet hip width apart or a little less than that. Keep paddling your knees one at a time and remember to breathe. Keep your knees slightly bent to have lengthening in the hamstring. Have a strong hold from your palms and use your core and breathe. Breathe nicely. Then as you exhale, you gently lower down your knees and sit up straight. Now from here, extend your legs right in front of your body. Sit in Dandasana. And as you inhale, raise your hands. And with exhale, fold forward. Breathe. Breathe nicely. Inhale and exhale. Bring the right foot next to the left thigh. As you inhale, place the left palm back and twist to the left side. Keep your neck straight, no strain on the neck, and breathe. Exhale, look forward. And inhale here and exhale. Bring the left foot next to right thigh. Place the right palm next to the right hips. And as you inhale and exhale, get into a right side of the twist. Hold the pose and breathe nicely. Inhale, look forward, and exhale and release. Now from here, sit up straight, use wall support if you have to. Bring both the feet together and start moving your knees up and down. If this feels comfortable, bring the feet together close to the groin as far as you can. Place your hands over the heels and close your eyes and center yourself with the breath. You can also place your hands over the knees. Unwind your breath and feel as you inhale, your belly goes up. And as you exhale, your belly goes in. Inhale, belly comes out. Exhale, belly goes in. Just focus on your breath and relax. Use this time to gather the energy from your practice and set a right intention for your day to make things work for you. Tell yourself it's going to be a great day for me and I'm ready to face my day with my best of capabilities. Tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to practice and showing for yourself. Remember to breathe nicely throughout as you say all these things. And then eventually, you have to come out of the practice to end this practice. First step is to make some gentle movements and rub your palms. Gather the energy over your face and the body. And gently open your eyes and look in between the palms. I wish you a great day and you are going to have an amazing rest of the day. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.